Hey, quick video. Meeting with my teammates, we discussed the challenge of if you were perhaps creating your Google Meets in Google Calendar and then sharing that link with families. That's actually a really efficient way to do that. The problem being that once that meeting is in the calendar, and as long as that meeting is in a calendar, that link is active and live and can be joined by anybody within our domain, as far as I can tell. So anybody with an mcusd2.com email address can join that meet. And so that creates a situation where I create a morning meeting. I share that link. I say, go to this link for morning meeting every time. And then Joey and Brian say, hey, meet me at the morning meeting link at 10 p.m. so we can talk about our Pokemon cards. And that might be a problem. So maybe some of you are already doing this, but you can actually join a meeting by going to meet.google.com, or you can get to it from your Waffle, which I don't have up, so I won't demonstrate, but trust me, it's there. But meet.google.com, and I'm in here as Tim Wheeler, and I join or start a meet. Now, it gives me this opportunity, as long as I'm in with my school email, so I'm going to say Wheel 3 is my morning meeting code, and I click continue. Now, it starts a meeting, pretty familiar. You're going to have to trust me on this because I don't have screenshots from a student perspective. But from a student perspective, we did just practice this with another computer logged in as a student. When they go to meet.google.com, instead of join or start a meeting, it offers a spot here. It's got a green button as well, and it offers to click for a meeting code, or it says meeting code. And when they type in and they type Wheel 3, it takes them into that meeting, but only if I'm there. And if I have not started that meeting, it will tell them the meeting hasn't started, similar to like a waiting room on Zoom, if you've experienced that, but they'll have to refresh to get into the meeting when you've started it. And when you leave, it kicks them out. We actually practiced that. It kicks them out. So they can't get back into that. Now, I can use Wheel 3 for my morning meeting every morning at 9 o'clock. And as long as I'm there, the kids will join it. But let's say something happens. My dog has an emergency and I don't get into the morning meeting, and I send an email, but kids don't get it. And they try to join my morning meeting. I'm not there, so they're not in morning meeting by themselves. So I hope this is helpful. And so give it a try. Meet.google.com, join or start a meeting with a code. So that might change how we share things with families. But I thought I would share this, and Mr. Rare thought it would be helpful as well. So hopefully I explained this well enough and short enough that you watched all the way to the end. Like or subscribe, right? That's what they say. I don't know. Enjoy. Have a good day.